something here, it looks like.
All right, folks, here we go. Leading the dynamic duo is Officer Mike Simbalenko, one of our senior motor officers. You'll notice he's wearing a traditional-looking Class B uniform. However, it is a fully armored Kevlar uniform that we are testing currently. Behind him is Officer Greg Roten, who's been on the motor unit for about 2 years now. We're doing a little follow the leader with the 2014 BMW RTP motorcycles. You can see that they are quite nimble and agile. Officer Simbalenko has approximately 7 years on motors right now. He's our most senior motor officer and also in charge of training for the unit. All of our motorcycles are equipped with full moving radar, forward and rear. They can track 5 targets simultaneously with a little readout up on the dash. So if you're coming up behind one of our police motorcycles, they know how fast you're going. Police motorcycles are used in traffic enforcement throughout the city of Turlock and throughout the country because they are so nimble. They're able to pull out after speeding cars, they're able to make U-turns, and they're able to do complex maneuvers in very tight quarters, as you're seeing, to be able to catch offenders at a much faster rate than a car. Our traffic safety unit is also charged with maintaining all of the message boards in town, the decoy vehicle that you'll see around town. Sometimes a police car is just an empty police car, but it slows people down. They do all the education. For traffic safety, they do a lot of training for officers on patrol as well. They're also leading the group for our street racing enforcement. If any of you have seen the street racers in town and watching them online, they have been saying don't come back to Turlock because they get stopped every time they train them. Right now, instead of following the leader, they're doing mirroring. So they're doing the same maneuvers exactly opposite of each other at the same time. Motor training is about 4 weeks of pre-training.